main test shoot. Wait man, your voice is overlapping my voice. The problem with us is we have a very less quantity of petrol. We should call our director to tow our bike. We came to the same new Ambur hot dum biryani. 10 o'clock. Not still in the location. No, 15 minutes. Now back up. For the problem of associate directors. Divakar went. He said only 10 minutes. It's been half an hour. He's not there. Now it's 11 o'clock. We should have started the shoot. But in an old apartment. Where is Bhunesh? This happened. See, we are back into our spooky road where the lights are flashing. Right now, we have a situation where Chanakya's phone is switched off. That guy's phone is switched off, man. Wow. So finally, we reached the location. There goes the savior. And finally, Chanakya, without the battery, has reached.
நீ நேரா வாடா லெஃப்ட் எடுத்து நேரா வந்துட்டு இருக்கடா மெயின் ரோடுக்கு வந்துட்டியா ஏண்டா
Hello, hi, welcome. Today we are doing main test shoot. Wait man, your voice is overlapping my voice. Today we are doing main shoot. So we have our protagonist sitting. So how are you feeling? Test shoot ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತು
ವೆರಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ
It's been 1 week. Now we are back. Now we are waiting for Chanakya to come. So he has missed the road. Once he comes, we are leaving. Now it's, what's the time?
8:28.
8:28. At what time we need to start the shoot? 9:30. Will you be able to reach there at 9:30? Okay, we'll go back into the spooky road today. Say, why are you waiting?
One of my teammates is making unnecessary issues.
Chanakya has lost his road. He is like dying coming here. Hey Chanakya, why? What happened? 20 minutes late. Hey, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಡ. Oh, ಇವತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಡ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ರಾ? Hey, give that helmet man. This helmet I can't.
I'm wearing specs bro.
Huh?
I'm wearing specs.
I can't. And finally, we have started the journey. So, Chanakya, how are you?
Tired and
Chanakya is wearing specs today. Today again we need to travel 8 kilometers. No, not 8 kilometers, more than 8 kilometers to reach to the location. We are directly going to the location, right? Yeah. So we'll eat some food, then we are going. Today we have a full night shoot till 4 o'clock. So let's see what will happen. So you can see a lot of traffic and ಅದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ರೋಡ್ಗಳು ಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಬೊಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕಾ? ಅವನೇನೋ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬಂತ ಪಾಪ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ದಿವಾಕರ್ ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಹಣ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ರೋಡಿಂದ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ.
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ the problem with us is we have a very less quantity of petrol. Now if we don't get the petrol bunk, then we should call our director to tow our bike. ನೋಡೋಣ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. ಹೋಪ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಂಕ್.
ನನಗೆ தெரியாதே
ಕರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಡಿ ಬ್ರೋ.
Finally we got Indian Oil petrol bunk. God saved us. Petrol ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು then we need to go. Finally petrol is filled. Now Divakar is riding his bike and now we are back to the location.
ಬ್ರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಮುಂಚೆದು ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಡಿ
Now straight, left, right, left, then you will go the road.
ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಯಾರು ಮನೇಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಡ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೋಗೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು
ಇನ್ನೇನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಭುವನ್ They came to the same new Ambur hot dum biryani. What are you going to do?
ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಕಬಾಬ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ
6 kilometers.
6 to 7 kilometers.
So finally we had food. What's the time?
10 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock. Not still in the location. Now we are leaving for the location.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಿಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ எடுத்துட்டு வந்துடுறேன் ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಬ್ರೋ 15 minutes ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು
Load ನೋಡು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. For the problem of associate directors, right? See, now problem ಏನಂದ್ರೆ Divakar went, he said only 10 minutes, I will go pick up my bag and come. It's been half an hour, he's not there. Now he is asking us to come there only. Now we're picking up all his bags, stuff, and then we are going to the location. Now we are going to the apartment, right? Now we are going to Bhuvanesh apartment, old apartment, and we are
is coming from
okay. Coming from?
one hour.
1 hour. Okay. So we are meeting in the old apartment, then we are giving all this stuff, and then going to the location. So now it's 11 o'clock. We should have started the shoot, but we have not started the shoot. We don't know at what time we might finish the shoot. Yeah, we'll see. Still drizzling. We are in old apartment. Where is Bhuvanesh? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಧನಚಂದಿ ನಿಂಗೆ ಹಂಗದ ಇருக்கு ಧನಚಂದಿ வண்டி இங்க இருக்கு.
So we got our DOP finally. So finally we got our DOP. Now we are going to the location. Yeah, we are just heading into his apartment to just use the restroom and then we will leave. Divakar, he went there, to the location. Now we enter the spooky road. This road is so spooky, bro. So we are back into our spooky road. As you could see, only the Enfield light is helping us to go through the road. It's 11:20. This happened. See, we are back into our spooky road where the lights are flashing. Yeah, I don't know. Seriously, why people will build resorts in such a places and why people will visit resort in such places? I seriously don't have an idea. See, right now we have a situation where Chanakya's phone is switched off and he has left behind. He is not there. But we are still going. I think something is coming. That guy's phone is switched off, man.
Wow.
ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ವಿ? 10 minutes.
Which bag is this? We have both the bags?
No, I have one bag.
Okay,
one bag is with Chanakya. So finally we reached the location. Now the DOP is heading back to get Chanakya. Chanakya is fucked up in mid. He doesn't have a battery and hope he comes. He will come. And here goes the savior. There is God to save us. So no spirits. I hope so. So another artist has arrived. And finally Chanakya without the battery has reached. Bro, we were like fucked up, like he's pissed off, like
ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಫೈಟ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ನೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾದ್ ನೋಡೋಣ
Rako, how are you feeling, bro?
ರಿಯಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
Cool. See, so your final thoughts?
ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಶೂಟ್
Okay. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಹೆಂಗ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ
ಕಾದ್ ನೋಡೋಣ
ಕಾದ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬ್ರೋ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್
ಹಾಯ್ ಬ್ರೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಟಪ್ ನೋಡಿ ಭಯ ಬೀಳ್ಬೇಡಿ
ಫೋಕಸ್
ತುಂಬಾ ಚಳಿ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಗೆಟಪ್ ಚಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬಂದ್ರು ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು
ಹೊಡಿಗುರು
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶೂಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ
body will get adjust, otherwise on the scene I will like they will not be good.
ಮುನ್ನಾಡಿ
Now it's 11:40. We are starting on the exact time. We hope to finish by 3.
4
Yeah, 3 o'clock. 36 shots to be taken. See, we have Zomato rider coming now.
ನೋಡುತ್ತೆ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಲೈಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು LED ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬರೋಬರ ಈಗ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ
Three, two, one, action.
We have not yet finished with 60%. They still have few shots. See the final output. Which app is this? For the
Sun
audience.
locator. Behind this tree, it's going to come.
Behind this tree, the sun will rise.
And see the orgasm of
Both the
our parameter.
We finished the shoot at 5:20, right? 5:23.
Action ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿವಿಯಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
Oh, finally it's done.
Oh, we are winding up. This is not Bangalore. We are out of Bangalore. I'm so sleepy. I'm not able to give voiceover. I'm so sleepy.
ಫೇಸ್ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದೆ ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂಸಾರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಹಾಯ್
Okay. Thanks for providing us space to sleep.
It's my pleasure. By the way, I'm not a delivery agent.
Ora.
Let's go.
Thanks for the lift, bro. Okay, bye. Next time. Until next time.